Here it is, almost the new year. Everybody's squawking, squawking about, oh, I'm froze. Squawking about politics. This is not supposed to be a squawking about politics. Never. Well, maybe so. Anyway, I forgot what I was going to say. But I'm a parent, so you gotta forgive me. Notice I have that Christmas decoration. I did say Christmas decoration in my cage. But I'm in a cage, which I think is a violation of some right somewhere. But that's the way things are. So, be grateful for what you have. And if you have a little extra, share it with people that don't have a little extra. What's so wrong about that? Oh yeah, let's start. No, don't get started. That's about it. That food over there is looking real good. Real good. So don't rattle my cage anymore. What happened? I was getting a little bit angry. As you can tell, the hair is standing up all over my little birdie body. Anyway, Happy New Year. Even to